The first historical mention of Mostar was in 1474. At this time, the city was a small settlement built around the Neretva River. In the 15th and 16th centuries, under Ottoman rule, the town was expanded. In 1566, under the order of Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, the old wooden bridge which once crossed the Neretva River was replaced by the iconic starry most. Ottoman rule came to an end in the 19th century. Mostar was then ruled by the Austro-Hungarian Empire until the end of the First World War. The city then became part of the Kingdom of Serbs, Croats and Slovenes, which later became the Kingdom of Yugoslavia. During the Second World War, the city was occupied by the Axis powers, before being liberated by the Yugoslav partisans in 1945. After the war, the city became part of the Socialist Republic of Yugoslavia. During this time, Mostar prospered economically, becoming a major industrial centre and tourist hotspot. When war broke out in 1992, over 2,000 people in the city were killed, and most of its religious buildings and bridges were destroyed, including the Starry Most. Although there is much evidence of the destruction caused by war, the old town has been successfully restored to its former beauty, and once again attracts tourists from all over the world. The reconstruction of the Starry Most was completed in 2004, and in 2005 it was awarded UNESCO World Heritage status. Now, once again, every summer, tourists flock to this stunning bridge to watch the local divers take the 78-foot plunge into the water below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.